How to turn off microphone on TikTok Live. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to turn off the microphone on TikTok Live, what you can simply do is just go to the TikTok application and you can just search for the updates of the application on a device. So let's just search for the TikTok application over here on the Play Store and make sure that you have the latest version of the application. After that, go back and then make a long press on TikTok application and then tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, it will lead you to a new page over here. Over here, all you have to do is just tap on app permissions. And as you go to the app permissions, here you can see the option of microphone. It's been allowed and given the access. Now all you have to do is just tap on don't allow, or you can select on ask every time. So here I'm going to tap on don't allow and go back, and this will now turn off the microphone on TikTok Live. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.